Lori thinks she's getting a bite. You better get a hook set on, baby.
Oh boy.
Can you feel him?
Yeah.
Easy, man. Don't horse him now. Let me get up a little closer.
Oh boy. Oh, I love it.
Feel like you got a good one?
Yeah. That's strong one. Pulling pretty good.
Oh yeah, I see he's breaking the water.
Look, there's something else there.
Ooh! I see him right there.
Holy cow! Oh man.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, baby.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's bigger than your last one.
No.
Oh yeah. See if you can get him by his jaw. Get him hard though, because he might try to put the slap on you.
Oh my god.
Oh man, that is a monster, baby.
Can you get a picture of it?
Yeah, let me get my other camera out.
Jim, I
Man,
think
that's
it might be my favorite.
I think it is. That's like a
Oh,
5-pound
there goes
bass.
the pole.
Well, out where he really looks big. Hold him back towards the camera. Stretch your arms out. Yeah, that's a 5-pound bass, I'm pretty sure. We'll take him off the hook and see how big he is. Push him out here a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Put him back in and then swim off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God, he's heavy.
Nice one. Give him a kiss. Kiss him on the end of his nose. Hold him. There you go. Yeah. All right, good one. Right in front of the camera. Maybe he'll get a little spunk. Just kind of hold him there. Ease him all the way down. You can let go of his mouth. Just cradle underneath his arm. There you go. Just cradle underneath him. There you go.
Ooh, there he goes.
Oh yeah.
Boy.
Woo! High five,
Woo!
baby.
That
Oh
might
man,
be
that
the
was
first one.
that was one awesome fish. Oh yeah. He was right up close. Oh yeah. Gonna take me out on a little ride. I don't know that it's a 5-pound bass, but it's a at least 3.5 or 4. Whoa, that baby's trying to get up in the mats now. Come on out of those mats, boy. Oh, yeah. Did a 360 on that one. Oh, whoa. Gotta get that other line out of the way. Oh, he got in the mats on me. Whoa, baby. Whoa. Come on out of there now. I tell you what, they love those mats. They know they're safe in there. Ooh, I might have pretty close to a 5-pounder here. At least 4. If I can get it aboard. Oh, yeah. Woo. Now that's a fish there. Oh, yeah. I'm calling it 5 pounds. Woo! That is a nice baby. Yeah, that's probably 3.5, 4 pounds anyway. Let me see what kind of measurement it's got. I can check on the Texas Parks and Wildlife, and they'll tell me if you can get the length of a fish. They'll tell you that one is, we're going to call it 21. That's probably pretty close to 4.5, 5 pounds. Really nice shape. Its tail has got one little split in it from maybe building on a nest, but got a pretty fat little belly, like it could be loaded up with some roe. But otherwise looking pretty healthy. I don't see any leeches or anything on it. Nice fat, good shoulders on that baby. Alright, you earned your freedom. Go ahead on out of here. Woo. I'm gonna keep her working it. It's a big old crane coming through. Oh, got a little bump. Oh yeah, I think I might have got a hook set on that one. Oh yeah, not a real big one, but I'm gonna pull my yak around just a little bit. Come on over here, baby. Going on a little yak ride. That's a good thing about working with a small reel with not a whole lot of line on it. You get a bite, you can follow the fish. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Come on over here. Let's have a look at you. Oh yeah. Ow! Oh man, you got some sharp teeth. Get a little line stretched out here. Hooked right up in the top of the mouth, it looks like. Oh yeah. That's probably a 3-pounder. Let's see what we got on the length here. Looks like about 18. They're probably 2.5, 3 pounds. Maybe 3.5 pounds, I'm not sure, but boy, what a healthy fish. Just beautiful. Its tail's in good shape though. I don't see any leeches or anything on it. Just a good looking fish. Alright, baby. You earned your keep. Oh yeah. Love that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think it's a real big one, but it's not a real small one either. Yeah. Come on over here, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, it's trying to go down to the lily pads. It knows where its refuge is. Whoa, come on out of there, baby. You get out of there. Oh yeah. Ah. Come on over here. Woo! Yeah. I think I got you beat. Uh-huh. Let me get over here a little closer. I thought I saw somebody over here feeding. Yeah, come here. Come here. Oh! Ah, yeah! Oh, man. Tell you what, I got a little cut just inside my thumb there, and them old rough shot teeth, man, there. Show agitating it. Alright. Another good looking fish. It's about the same size as that other one. Let's see how long this one is. That one is pushing 18, it looks like. Yeah. Alright. And really healthy, just nice shoulders on it. Ooh, yeah. I don't see anything wrong with this fish. Its tail's in good shape. Nice and fat. Ain't no leeches hanging on this one. Tell you what, for people that think this fishery is dead because they was getting after the weeds, tell you what, it is not. There's some good looking fish in here. Man, gotta love that. Wind kind of drift me up into one of them pockets. See if I can do any good over off of this point. Seems like Lori caught a nice fish over here one time. Oh yeah, I tell you what, that Whacky-Worm never even hit the bottom and it was off and running. Oh yeah, going on a little kayak sleigh ride. Come on, baby. Woo. Yeah, it's headed for the, oh yeah, uh-huh. Not a real big one, but it's a nice fat one. Come here, honey. Oh yeah. Boy, that one's like a huge crappie, just fat as can be. Kind of short and stubby, but put up a good fight. Let's see how long it is. This one is about 15. Might be a male. Its tail's in good shape. What's that on its fin there? Oh, I think it does have just a little bit of some kind of a parasite right there. Not sure what that is, but it's really firmly attached. This side looks pretty good too. Woo! Alright, baby. You earned your freedom. Go ahead and take a hike. Oh yeah. Ooh, there he is. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Come on around here, baby. Come on around here. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh, 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 oh now. Oh, oh, oh down there. Oh yeah. Ow. Oh. Ah, that's a sweet one. Let me see if I can get a little measurement on it. Ooh, 19. That's a nice bass. Hooked it right in the top of the mouth there. Woo. See if I can get her unhooked. Oh yeah. Still got my Whacky-Worm. Oh, this one's got a little scuff on the side right there. And its tail is split. Looks like it could have had some line. I believe this fish has been caught before and got some line burn on it. Got around backwards and got its tail split. Nice heavy fish though. Good shoulders on it. Alright. It's had enough trauma. We're going to let this baby get back to business. Go on, baby. There you go. I fished all day and using my old buddy the Whacky-Worm, and caught I think I had a 21, 19 pair of 18s and a 15. So, you know, what are you gonna do? I did the best I could, but Lori still beat me out. She had I think that her fish was a 23. So I don't know. I guess there's always tomorrow, right?